MacroStructure, Trading Desk, Asia Session Update. Nasdaq Futures, Asia, London, New York, January 12. In the previous desk update, we highlighted that Nasdaq Futures had completed an intraday rotation into the upper structure, accepting above Micro 5 and compressing beneath the daily resistance band. The focus was whether that acceptance would expand or be tested. The Asia session has now delivered that test. Price failed to hold above Micro 5 and rotated back toward the intraday central pivot. Importantly, the session's largest traded volume printed directly at that central pivot, confirming that this level is now the market's active decision zone. This is not a breakdown. It is a value test after an upper structure rejection. Right now, price is trading between two critical structure bands. Above the central pivot and Micro 1 sits the upper structure support zone. Holding this area keeps the rotation alive and opens the path back toward Micro 2 and 5. Below it, the ceiling of the lower structure is defined by the central pivot and Micro 5 of the lower band. Acceptance below that zone would shift control lower and open the path toward Micro 4 through Micro 1 on the downside. What matters from here is simple. If price holds above the central pivot, the Asia test becomes the base for a renewed push higher into the London and New York sessions. If price loses it, the market transitions from rotation into continuation, allowing the lower structure to take control. This is the same decision zone we discussed in the previous update, only now price has returned to it with volume, making the next reaction even more important. The structure is defined. The levels are in place. Now price will tell us which side gains control. Substack is home to the desk, where long-term structure lives. Discord is where execution happens live, session by session.